Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, friends. We here from Group 1 will present the result of discussion, namely review journals about chemical reactions. Members group of Group 1 is Tiravia Ardianti with less NPM 10, and Rahmanda Firman Sabila, Reni Junisa, Mezaria Belantiani, Komang Puja Pramesti. Next. Okay, the next the next will present by Reni Junisa.
Okay, the first article, journal article title is The Rate of Chemical Reaction and Factor Affecting It. Journal name, EFRA International Journal of Research and Development. Volume and page, Volume 5, page 261 to 263. Journal link, you can see it in the PPT, guys, and your article is August 2020. That access is October 27. Keywords: reaction, reaction rate, concentration, collapse theory, temperature, catalyst effect, phase and surface, collision, reasons, and reactants. Writer is Omonova Maxfuza Sodikovna, Ibragimova, Gavkarson, Orifzon Kizi. Next. And reviewer are Tiravia Ardianti, Rahmanda Firman Sabila, Reni Junisa, Mezaria Belantiani, and Komang Puja Pramesti. General subject is chemistry and specific subject is chemical reaction. Hypothesis is the movement of electrons play a key role in chemical reaction. Substances that react chemical are called reagents. The substances formed as a result of a reaction are the products of a chemical reaction. Chemical reactions are expressed by chemical formula. Methodology is a catalyst, a substance that participates in a chemical reaction and increases the reaction rate without undergoing a net chemical change itself. Consider, for example, the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide in the presence and absence of different catalysts. Because most catalysts are highly selective, they often determine the product of a reaction by accelerating only one of several possible reactions that could occur. And result is, the collision theory says that as more collision in a system occur, there will be more combination of molecules bound into each other. If you have more concentration of reagent, lead to more efficient collision per unit time, leading to increased reaction rate, excluding zero level in reaction. Similarly, high concentration of products are associated with low reaction rates. is the partial pressure of the reagents as a concentration measure in the gasostat. Concentration effects. Two substances cannot possibly react with each other unless their constituent particles, like molecules, atoms, or ions, come into contact. If there is no contact, the reaction rate will be zero. Conversely, the more react particles that collide per unit time, the more often a reaction between them can occur. Consequently, the reaction rate usually increases as the concentration of the reactant increases. Energy of chemical reaction activation and increase the rate of the chemical reaction without being consumed in the process. Catalysts in the frequency of collisions between regions change the direction of the reactant, increase the efficiency of further collision, reduce in the intermolecular Next, pressure affects the rate of reaction, especially when you look at the gas. When you increase the pressure, the molecules have less space in which they can move. The greater density of molecules increases the number of collisions. When you decrease the pressure, molecules then hit each other as often and the rate of reaction decreases. When two reactants are in the same fluid phase, their particles collide more frequently than when one or both reactants are solid, or when they are in different fluids that do not mix. If the reactants are uniformly dispersed in a single homogeneous solution, then the number of collisions per unit time depends on concentration and temperature, as we have just seen. If the reaction is heterogeneous, however, the reactions are in two different phases, and collision between the reactants can occur only at interphase between phases. The number of collisions between reactants per unit time. Next. Okay, thank you. That's all for me. Next, my friend.
Okay, thank you, Reni Junisa. The next by Tira Pia.
Next, summary of key points. In conclusion, simple saying, the reaction rate is generally highest at the beginning of a reaction, when the concentration of the substance reacting is highest. We can identify 5 different factors affecting the speed of chemical reaction, namely temperature, pressure, catalyst effect, phase and surface effect, as well as the concentration of reagents. Reaction rate increases when temperature increases, when concentration increases, and when solid reactants have more surface area available. Catalysts are chemicals that raise reaction rates without being consumed in the reaction. Significant is example of reaction raise melting is in drink. When someone puts ice in a hot drink, it melts more quickly because heat increases the rate of the melting reaction. Fermentation, bread making. The fermentation process in bread making speeds up chemical reaction that turn back into fluffy bread. Sugar melting. When you heat sugar in a pan to make caramel, it speeds up the chemical reaction that throws the solid sugar into liquid caramel. Other comments: by reading this article, reader can easily understand material about reaction rates because this article explains the material clearly and concisely. Apart from that, this article also provides an introduction to chemical reaction rates and mentions several reaction rate factors. However, this article only discusses basic material, so it is not suitable for readers who are looking for more in-depth material about reaction rate. Articles 2. Journal article title is Understanding the Difference Between Chemical Change and Physical Change. Journal name: Indonesian Journal of Chemical Science and Technology. Volume 5, number 1, page 1 to 57. Journal link, you can see link in the PPT. Year: January 25, 2020. 21. Date: Access October 27. Keywords: physical change and chemical change. Writer: Yohana Elizabeth and Catur Kurniawan. Reviewer: Tiravia Ardianti, Rahmanda Firman Sabila, Reni Junisa, Mizaria Belatiani, and Komang Puja Pramesti. General subject is chemistry and specific subject is chemical reaction. Hypothesis: the hypothesis and data that will be proven are the factors that influence physical change and chemical change. Example of physical change and also chemical change, as well as significant difference between physical and chemical change. And methodology: this study as an experimental method in which this experiment is carried out to prove data and hypotheses regarding change in physics and chemical change. Okay, next my friend.
Thank you. Result 1. Physical change. A. Heating iodine crystal. Result of heating the iodine crystal. When iodine crystals are heated, the van der Waals are easily overcome and the molecules break into gas phase. They sublime for a purple color distant paper. The sublimation of iodine is as to stain chromatography plates, and in the detection of fingerprint in forensic science, iodine sublimate and from iodine foams when it comes in contact with air, as you cannot bring back iodine solid back from the foams. It is a physical process. As iodine is sublimation in presence of air, O2 and 2. It is a chemical process, so it can be said that iodine sublimation is a physiochemical or mostly physical process. Next. B. Heating wax. Result of heating wax. On heating, candle wax melt and from liquid wax. It a physical change in again thrown into solid wax on cooling. This is a reversible change. Next. C. Heating magnesium. Result of heating magnesium. When the magnesium metal burns, it reacts with oxygen found in the air to form magnesium oxide. A compound is a material in which atoms for different elements are bonded to one another. Oxygen and magnesium combine in a chemical reaction to form these compounds. After it burns, it forms a white powder of the magnesium oxide. Magnesium gives up 2 electrons to oxygen atoms from this powdery product. Next. D. Heating copper sulfate. Result of heating copper sulfate. Copper sulfate pentahydrate is a blue solid, but when you heat it, you evaporate the water from the sample and are left with anhydrous copper sulfate, no water present, which is white in color. Upon cooling, the white copper sulfate absorbs weight from the atmosphere to become the pentahydrate again. Also, when you add water, the less of the anhydrous material converted to the pentahydrate. Since no chemical bonds, we broken for format the definition of chemical change. This is an example of physical change. Next, my friend. Thank you.
Okay, the next is chemical change. A crystal iodine plus Ka 0.1 molar. Iodine is more likely to dissolve in CCl4 aqueous, E2 solid, and CCl4 aqueous are both nonpolar molecular compound, whereas water is a polar molecular compound. There are no significant attracts between the non-polar E2 molecules and polar water molecules. The world causes molecules of E2 to separate when iodine E2 is mixed with water. The water dissolves some iodine by forming a temporary charge. The oxygen from water bonds with the iodine. Iodine is more likely to dissolve in CCl4 aqueous, E2 solid, and CCl4 aqueous are both nonpolar molecular compound, whereas water is polar molecular and compound. There are no significant attracts between the nonpolar E2 molecules and polar water molecules that would cause molecule of E2 separate. Iodine does not react with CCl4, it dissolves in its solution of iodine in nonpolar solvents like CCl4 are purple in color. CCl4 used in a solvent because it has no CH bond. Carbon tetrachloride does not easily undergo free radical reaction. C. Crystal iodine plus H2O. A solution of iodine in water is yellow-brown when iodine E2 is mixed with water. The water dissolves some iodine by forming a temporary charge. The oxygen from water bonds with the iodine, and water can have dipole-induced dipole interaction, in which either end of dipole in the iodine molecule. They interact with the oxygen and water, and of water become more important because the lone pair electron on water make it a Lewis base. The molecules can form a loosely bound Lewis type charge transfer complex, in which there is a practical transfer of electrons from the water to the iodine. The magnesium plus HCl heated. When magnesium metal react with hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas and magnesium chloride are formed. This characteristic reaction of metal with acid and single replacement reaction, or to demonstrate the generation of hydrogen gas. Thank you. Next, my friend.
Okay, thank you. The next, magnesium plus H2O. Magnesium oxide reacts with ionized water to produce magnesium hydroxide. This combination reaction. This reaction takes place at a temperature much higher than from temperature around 113 Celsius and can be reversed by breathing magnesium hydroxide. If a CuSO4 plus H2O occurring to one takes a change in color, release of the gas, and some other changes are induction of a chemical reaction since water vapor is released and the solid changes color. This solved by conditioner and chemical reaction, not a physical change. By heating copper sulfate pentrified until was white and contact no more water. You undergo a chemical change. The chemical makeup of CuSO4 5H2O changes to CuSO4. The change is called in this situation also indicates a chemical change, but a change in color does always entail a chemical change. CuSO4 plus CCl4. Reaction of heating CuSO4 with CCl4 high CCl4 confineness, we have found the minimalization process performed at Auschwitz X-ray ablation near its truth. Photoelectron spectroscopies, we found that most CuCl2 well encapsulated in the CCl4 minimized product solid. At higher militarization temperature was found to be prominent on the surface of the mineralization product. Substitution of copper in the mineralization product solid was also sorted by extended X-ray ablation fine structure spectroscopy. Next, summary of a key point is physical change is a process of changing of physical properties of a substance but not making any change in the composition of the molecule. Change is physical or reversible, which include change in physical in this journal, namely heating the iodine crystal, heating the wax, heating the magnesium, heating the CuSO4. Whereas chemical change is a process that can produce a new substance, and the chemical properties on this substance change and then is converted into substance which are different with different chemical composition. Chemical change chemical change inversible, which includes chemical change in this journal, namely crystalline iodine plus Kl 0.1 m, crystal iodine plus CCl. Okay, chemical changes are inversible, which includes chemical change is this journal, namely crystal iodine plus Kl 0.1 m. crystal iodine plus CCl4, crystal iodine plus H2O, magnesium plus HCl, magnesium plus H2O, CuSO4 plus H2O, CuSO4 plus CCl4. Significance to the file in the relation to your own work. Example of physical change in our life shows ice melting, while example of chemical change in your life shows wood burning paper. Example of physical change in our life includes melting ice and melting wax and other. Meanwhile, example of chemical change in life burning wood, burning paper, and photosynthesis in plants. Next. Import figures and/or tables. Physical change is the properties of change the physical properties of substance but not making any change in the composition of the molecules. Changes in physical are reversible, which include changes in physical in this journal, namely heating the iodine crystal, heating the wax, heating the magnesium, heating the CuSO4. Whereas chemical change is a process that can produce a new substance, and the chemical properties of the substance change, and then is the convert into substance which are different with different chemical properties. Chemical change are irreversible, which includes chemical change in this journal, namely crystal iodine plus Kl 0.1 m, crystal iodine plus CCl4, crystal iodine plus H2O, magnesium plus HCl, magnesium plus H2O, CuSO4 plus H2O, CuSO4 plus CCl4. Significant to file in the relation to your work. Example of physical change in your life shows ice melting, with example of chemical change in our life shows as wood burning paper. Okay, import figures and/or tables. Figures change reaction of heating CuSO4 with H2O. Figure 9, reaction of heating Mg with H2O. Author comments, we think this article is good because it covers clean material and fits the abstract. Apart from that, this article on understanding the difference between chemical change and chemical phase is also scored from generated reference, so is actually can be trusted. By reading this article, we can differentiate between chemical change and physical change. Okay, here we will open a question session. If there's anything you want to ask, please raise hand. Okay, Naura Salsabila, what's your question?
Thank you, Manda. Okay. I ask you for your growth. Why should we understand the difference between physical and chemical change.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you.
Naura. The next, Aprila Salsabella, what's your question?
Thank you, Ramanda. My name is Sabrila Salsabella with lesson PM 28. What makes you interested in review journal with the title? Thank you.
Okay, will be okay. We ask for time to answer this question. Okay. Question from Naura Salsabila will be answered by Reni Junisa.
Okay. Answer from question why we should understand chemical why we should understand physical change and chemical change, because the difference between physical and chemical change is this knowledge helps us understand how materials behave in various situations. Physical change only alter the appearance or state of material without creating a new substances, while chemical change involve the formation of new substances. This affects various aspects of everyday life, like from cooking and cleaning to environmental conservation. By understanding this difference, we can control chemical reaction and subsafety and make informed decisions in our daily lives and for environmental issues. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Reni Junisa. Is there anything you want to refer on add to the answer above? Okay, no. What the answer Naura Salsabila is enough?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Enough. Thank you.
Okay, the next question from Aprila Sasabella will be we will be answered by Tiravia.
Okay, the answer is help understand more deeply about chemical reaction can be used as a reference for studies for future research, improve the reader's ability on the topic, and understand grammar in scientific journal writing. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Tira. What's the answer? Aprila Salsabella is no.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. This presentation from Group 1. Okay. Any comment from others? Everyone? No? Okay, that's our presentation, more or less. We sorry. I end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.